क्या दिक्कत क्या है?
अरे एक सेकंड,
5 सेकंड खोलिए।
एक सेकंड
बात तो करोगे?
बात करनी है। जी जी बात करनी है।
इतिहास करो, दरवाजा खोल इसका रोका। खोलिए। हुआ? अरे खोलिए तो सही, बात तो कीजिए।
खोलिए, बात करनी है जनाब।
अरे बात कीजिए भाई। अरे बात तो करेंगे ना आप लोग।
We are outside the Church Lane area, and this is one of the highly secured fortified places of Srinagar. VVIPs live here, but today there was a lot of drama inside because Sanjay Singh, the AAP MP who had arrived from Delhi yesterday, the plan of the Aam Aadmi Party was to hold a protest demonstration today and then also address the media. However, authorities had different plans. The police, the local administration decided to not allow that. This morning, a big contingent of police came in and locked the gates of the guest house where Sanjay Singh and other AAP leaders were staying. Sanjay Singh, through X, put out a video where quite clearly he's seen arguing with the police, trying to prevail upon them that this is his democratic right. Under the constitution, he's allowed to hold a press conference, protest, and what they are doing is undemocratic and dictatorial. But that was not enough because police obviously is under orders. And then the other important, in fact, what happened through the day was Farooq Abdullah's visit. Farooq Abdullah arrived to meet Sanjay Singh. Again, lot of drama where Sanjay Singh is seen climbing over the gate, trying to meet Farooq Abdullah, trying to once again protest and tell the police that he is a former chief minister, he's a former MP, and there is absolutely no reason that he should be blocked from meeting Farooq Abdullah. There is no threat to law and order. He's just come to meet him, greet him, but even that wasn't allowed. And now this is snowballing into a political controversy because the local parties like PDP, NC are trying to showcase this as another such incident and what happens with them on daily basis because local leaders are prevented from various protests or even press conferences previously, and now what they're trying to really raise at the national level through Sanjay Singh is the fact that this is what is happening in Jammu and Kashmir, and especially Kashmir. This is unconstitutional, undemocratic, and today is yet another example where it is an overreach. They've gone overboard with the reaction to what AAP was planning, and this is what happens in Kashmir on daily basis. So the local parties seeing this as an opportunity to corner the LG's administration, but high drama inside Church Lane where still Sanjay Singh is behind the gates. He's not being allowed, and sources in administration say that they had no option because this they deemed was, in fact, if they were allowed, there could have been law and order issues. And just to keep and maintain law and order, these measures have been taken. With campus in Muzaffar Ahmad, Mir Farid, Srinagar, for India Today.